our dog Nala control our entire day to see what her perfect day actually looks like.
But Nala might make us do some gross things like eat dog food or something. What? So we're letting her decide what happens if we refuse even one thing she tells us to do. We either have to sleep in her kennel with her or play fetch with her until she doesn't want to anymore. And we have no idea how long that could take.
She'll play fetch forever.
Yeah.
And I do not want to go in that kennel. That's disgusting.
Let's see what Nala chooses. Okay, Nala, do you want kennel or do you want fetch? Which one? Oh, she wants kennel. Oh man, we're gonna have to sleep with her in her kennel.
That's disgusting. Ew.
All right, I think Purple wants to join us. Come on out, Purple.
All right, well, Nala's basically my dog, so she's totally gonna go easy on me.
But what Peyton's forgetting is, without both of us, we wouldn't even have Nala and Purple. And ever since I moved out, I've missed them so much. And I want to find out if Nala and I still have the same connection we used to. So later in this video,
we're gonna find out if Nala had to choose between me or Peyton, who she would pick.
Oh, she would totally pick me.
If you're so confident, whoever she picks gets to keep her.
What?
Yeah.
You cannot keep Nala. That's my dog.
I'm taking Nala home with me after this.
No way.
I guess we'll see about that.
I'm pretty sure I should have asked my wife Jade before making this deal, but hopefully she's not too mad.
Let's do this. All right, it's time to eat. They're really hyper. They're excited for today.
Crazy.
Nala, would you rather eat dog food or a steak dinner? Let's see what she picks.
And hopefully Nala picks the steak, because if she picks the dog food, Peyton and I have to eat it with her.
Please pick the steak dinner.
Okay, which one do you want? Oh, is this the one you want? Oh, she's eating some. She got some steak. Perfect. I gotta take a bite before she eats it all. You want some steak?
Here you go.
I'm really glad they didn't choose dog food.
Yeah, that'd be bad.
Catch. Oh, good job. Purple, sit. Catch. Why are you so uncoordinated, Purple? Let's see what the dogs want to do next. Nala, would you rather us all wear costumes or have us keep wearing awesome? I think it's best to wear this.
Which are available right now at liveawesome.com, and all hoodies are 40% off.
This is definitely better.
Let's see what Nala thinks. Okay, Nala, you ready to pick? Please pick no costumes. Okay, come here. Okay, which one? Which one? Oh! What? No! Nala stopped the bacon, which means we all have to wear the costume.
Yay.
Okay, Nala and Purple, which one do you want to be? Do you want to be a hot dog or taco?
Nala needs to be a hot dog because she's chunkier.
Oh yeah, that's true. Peyton, you're a chicken.
Why are you laughing at me right now? You look so dumb.
Okay, we've got our costumes on. We look so good.
I feel pretty cool.
I feel sizzling. If you change your mind about the costumes, let us know and we can take them off. All right, let's go to the next thing. I'm baking. Sizzle, sizzle, sizzle.
Chicken.
All right, Nala, would you rather choose Pup Cup or choose to eat peanut butter off our faces?
She better choose Pup Cup. I'm not doing that.
That would be terrible. I do not want her to lick my face.
No.
You know, it's up to Nala.
No, I'm not doing that.
It's her day. I really hope she chooses Pup Cup. Let's do this. All right, Nala, do not pick this one. Ready?
This one.
Set, okay, go.
Okay.
Which one do you want? Whoa, Pup Cup. Woo!
Yeah!
Oh, that is so good.
Thank goodness.
Well, let's go to Starbucks.
Let's do it.
For Nala's next choice, she gets to decide what car we take to Starbucks, the Tesla or the three-wheeled slingshot.
I haven't let Nala and Purple pick which car they want to take yet, but they already jumped in the slingshot, so I think I know what they're gonna pick. And it's freezing outside. It's gonna be a cold day. Come over here, Nala and Purple. I'm gonna put a treat on each car, and whatever treat they eat first is the car they pick. Okay, you guys ready? 3, 2, 1, go. Okay. Which one do you want?
Which one?
Oh, they chose the slingshot.
No, it's freezing.
It'll probably be pretty fun. Let's do it. Hop in, puppies. They love riding in this thing. Oh, yeah, let's do it. This is crazy. We're going to Starbucks to get a Pup Cup with our doggies on the slingshot.
This is freezing.
Is this embarrassing?
Yes, this is embarrassing. I'm being squished. This is crazy.
My face is gonna freeze off. Woo! Starbucks, here we are. Look at it. It's right there. It's time to get your Pup Cup, Nala. Can we just get 2 Pup Cups?
Ew, I think she farted on me.
Oh, thank you. All right, Nala, there's your Pup Cup. Here you go, Purple.
That was so embarrassing.
Nala is loving her Pup Cup. I think a Pup Cup is just whipped cream.
You should try it.
She already licked it. I think I'm good.
There you go. Now she put her face in it. Do you like it?
I think she got it all. How's it looking there? That thing was full to the brim. Low-key, this bacon's warm though. What do you think they'd like to do next? Should we go to the pet store?
Yeah, let's do it.
It's time to go to the pet store. All right, we'll see you there.
Bye.
The wind is so intense on here, but the dogs love it. I have no idea why they love sticking their head out the window so much.
I'm so cold. Purple's like my blanket, right?
After being away from Nala and Purple for a long time, it's been so good spending time with them again. And I'm really hoping Nala picks to come home with Jade and me, which I still haven't told Jade about.
I'm really cold turkey.
My hair looks absolutely insane from that car ride.
Same.
Okay, here we go. They're so excited.
And for Nala's next choice,
We could do a shopping spree where I buy you anything you touch, or I'll buy you nothing and we'll just look around. Probably choose this one. Shopping spree or nothing. Here we go.
All right. Okay.
What? No, no. Why didn't she pick nothing?
I'm so glad she picked shopping spree. I want Nala to spend all of Brighton's money, so I'm gonna make her touch everything.
What'd you say?
Nothing?
Nala has exactly as long as it takes me to tell you guys about today's sponsor, Chime. So Peyton, make sure she doesn't spend too much money, okay?
All right, let's go. What do you want? What do you want?
If your goal for 2026 is to actually make your money work for you, Chime's high yield savings account does exactly that. And right now you can get up to $350 with qualifying direct deposits. I used to think it was normal that savings accounts paid basically nothing.
Just picking out the big things. This is hard.
But Chime's high yield savings account earns up to 3.5% APY, which is 8 times higher than the national average.
She picked it.
There are no monthly fees or minimum balance requirements, so you're just earning on your money. I'm getting worried. I think that card's gonna be full. But my favorite part is the automations, like automatically rounding up the change on all my purchases or saving a little bit of money on each paycheck.
My arms are getting full. Let's go to the cart.
Right now is the perfect time to sign up because Chime is offering an exclusive $350 bonus for you straight through my link.
Oh yeah, she definitely touched those.
Go to the top link in the description or scan the QR code here on the screen to start earning 3.5% APY. And you can even get your paycheck 2 days early with Chime. Okay, that's it. I gotta go stop them. Let's go.
Okay. Oh, no, do you want
Okay,
anything
stop. I'm done.
You're
I'm
done?
done. What? This thing is full. That's crazy.
Nala did a good job.
These guys went insane. This is probably $1,000 worth of stuff. Do you think?
Nala really likes this one, right, Nala?
Oh.
Yeah, she did.
That does look yummy. I think now's the perfect time for Nala to decide who should pay. How about either me or Peyton? You should pay.
You were paying.
All right, I'll hold this one. You hold this one. So if Nala comes to me, then you have to pay.
You said you were paying at the beginning. What? I wouldn't have made her get so much.
Let's see what Nala says. Okay, I really hope Nala comes to me.
No, she better come to me.
Okay,
Ready,
come here, Nala. Come here. What?
Yes.
Why'd she go to you?
She likes me more. What can I say?
Later, Nala's gonna pick me to come home with me, for sure.
No way.
Let's go pay for your big shopping cart of stuff. Good. We had to buy everything our dog touched. Is that normal? Do people usually do that?
sometimes.
What is this, Peyton?
I don't know. Nala wanted it.
All right. Thank you. She got so many things. All right.
I think that was a successful dog shopping spree.
So successful. I wish you had to pay for it. It ended up being $341 in dog toys. Nala gets to pick where we play, either a dog park or the canyon. Let's see it, Nala.
Nala, okay.
Okay. Let's go, dog park.
Woo!
This is gonna be fun. To the dog park.
Yeah.
Hey, let's see how far I can throw.
Oh, right to the other dog. You almost made it in the basket.
They love fetch. This is so fun. I've always wondered if Nala prefers us throwing the ball or if she wants us to play fetch with her. So when they come back, if they go to Peyton, we'll play fetch. If they come to me, we'll keep throwing the ball. Let's see what happens. All right,
Ready?
who are they gonna come to?
Oh,
What? No! Oh wait, they didn't go to you yet. They're still,
I think they're looking for the ball.
throw balls on this side, play fetches on this side. Okay.
Okay.
No, come right here.
What?
What?
Why did you go to that one?
You want us to play fetch? What? We'll have Jade throw the ball and Peyton and I will play fetch. You ready?
Okay, I guess.
I mean, would you rather do this or sleep in Nala's kennel all night?
I'd rather do this.
Once Jade finally made it, I asked her a weird question.
You ready to play fetch with me?
I'm ready. This is weird.
Let's do it.
3, 2, 1, go!
We're way slower than Nolan Purple. I'm tired now.
Next, it was time to get home before it got dark.
It's been a really long day and they're tired and dirty, so they really need a bath, but we're gonna let them decide between a bubble bath and belly rubs.
Which one do you want, Nala?
Okay, pick.
What?
What?
Belly rubs?
Belly rubs?
But you're so dirty, you need a bath. But
didn't
that's
even-
okay. I love giving you belly rubs. Come here, Nala. Nala, come here. She just wants to play fetch forever. I think I'm learning what Nala's dream day really is. Maybe they didn't really want belly rubs, they just didn't want to take a bath. It's finally time to answer the question, if Nala had to choose between me or Peyton, who would she pick?
Come on, Nala, you know the right choice.
Whoever she picks gets to keep her, and I've really missed Nala.
She better pick me. I've been with her for all these years. Brighton's been gone.
I was with her from the beginning. We both drove out there to get Nala and surprise our parents.
You're married now, you can go get your own dog.
But you have 2 dogs. I just want
They're
one.
best friends, I don't want to separate them.
Let's see what Nala says.
Okay, let's see.
Nala, what? Oh, she just licked me in the face. That means she likes me.
Aw, you should let her lick you in the face more. That
I'm
was the
good.
fakest laugh I've ever heard.
Let's do this. We're gonna have Nala sit about 10 feet away from us, and we're both gonna call her over, and whoever she comes up to gets to keep her. I wonder if Nala knows how big of a decision this is. I'll take such good care of you.
3, 2, 1. Nala, come here!
Come here,
Nala!
Nala, come here!
Nala, come here!
Nala, come here! Come here! What? No,
Yes!
come here! No!
Woo!
Dang it! Why didn't you come to me? Come on, give me a hug. Oh, I'm gonna miss you. Oh, see, she still loves me. I'm just gonna have to come visit every day. She keeps licking me so much. Well, it looks like if Nala had to choose, she would choose Peyton.
Yay!
But-
you just have to come visit.
Maybe Nala will change her mind one day. Anyways, we had such a great time spoiling Nala in purple.
But let's see how Jade would have reacted if I brought Nala home.
I missed you.
How's it going?
Why are you filming?
Jade, I have something really important to ask
Why are
you.
you filming me?
If I got a puppy without asking you, would you be mad?
Brighton? What did you do?
Would
Of
you-
course I'd be mad. Brighton, are you being serious?
No. I didn't get a puppy. Don't worry. I just wanted to ask you.
You just wanted to ask me for fun?
Yeah. I
Actually.
just wanted to ask you that.
Did you get a dog?
No, I didn't. Luckily, no. I didn't get a dog.
Brighton.